Now we are discussing about second order derivative. If y equal to fx be a differentiable function of x, then its first order derivative will be denoted by dy by dx or f dash x. This is the first order derivative. If further it is differentiable at some value of x, then its derivative, that is ddx of dy by dx, which is equal to d2y by dx2, and further it is denoted by f double dash x, is called second order derivative of y equal to fx. So second order derivative is denoted by either d2y by dx2 or f double dash x or y2, and first order whose corresponding first order also denoted by dy by dx or f dash x or y1. So now we are explaining derivative. Say y equal to, example number 1, say y equal to 2x cube plus 5x square plus e to the power x. Find d2y by dx2. How to find? So first we are differentiating with respect to x. What will get? ddx of y equal to ddx of 2x cube plus 5x square plus e to the power x. So therefore dy by dx equal to it is 6x square plus 10x plus e to the power x. So this is the first order derivative. Now further differentiating with respect to x, what will get? ddx of dy by dx equal to ddx of 6x square plus 10x plus e to the power x. This is becomes d2y by dx2, which is second order derivative, and the right side becomes 12x plus 10 plus e to the power x. So this is the second order derivative. So second order derivative is nothing but we'll do the second time derivative. It is also called successive differentiation. Example number 2. Y equal to x cube into sine x. So how to find our second order derivative? Find y2. So differentiating with respect to x, so we get dy by dx equal to ddx of x cube into sine x. So this is the product function. We have to apply the product formula. So x cube into ddx of sine x plus sine x into derivative of x cube. So that is x cube cos x plus sine x into 2x square. So we have a common x square, x cos x plus 2 sine x. This is first order derivative. Again, differentiating with respect to x, what will get? ddx of dy by dx equal to ddx of x square x cos x plus 2 sine x. So here again product function. So how to do? d2y by dx2 equal to x square into derivative of x cos x plus 2 sin x plus x cos x plus 2 sin x into derivative of uh, ddx of x square. So now, how to continue? We have d2y by dx2 equal to x square. Now it is the product function again. So therefore, x into minus sin x plus cos x into 1 plus derivative of 2 sin x is 2 cos x plus x cos x plus 2 sin x into derivative of x square is 2x. So further what we are getting? Multiply minus x cube sin x plus x square cos x 2x square cos x plus 2x square cos x plus 4x sin x. So therefore finally we are getting minus x cube sin x plus 2x square plus 3x square plus 5x square cos x plus 4x sin x. So this is the answer. So what we found, second order derivative is nothing but we have to do the derivative again. Means we are doing two times derivative. Y equal to tan inverse x. So how to find the second order derivative? Find d2y by dx2. So first order differentiating with respect to x, what will get? Dy by dx equal to ddx of tan inverse x, which is 1 by 1 plus x square. Further differentiating again, so what will get? d2y by dx2 equal to ddx of 1 by 1 plus x square, which can be written as ddx of 1 plus x square whole to the power minus 1. That is minus 1, 1 plus x square minus 1 into ddx of 1 plus x square. We have applied here chain rule. So therefore, it is coming minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into 2x. So final answer is minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square whole square. Example number 4. Y equal to e to the power x into sine inverse x. Find y2. So how to do? So differentiating with respect to x, what will get? Dy by dx equal to ddx of e to the power x into sine inverse x. So it is a product function. E to the power x into ddx of sine inverse x plus sine inverse x into ddx of e to the power x. So e to the power x into 1 by 1 minus root over 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x into e to the power x. So what is common we have? E to the power x we have common. So it becomes 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x. So first order derivative is completed. Now we'll go further derivative, that is second order differentiation. So differentiating again with respect to x, what will get? d dx of dy dx equal to d dx of e to the power x 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x. So what we'll get finally here, d2y by dx2 equal to, again it is a product function, e to the power x into derivative of 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x plus 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x into d dx of e to the power x. So what will get? d2y by dx2 equal to e to the power x. It is actually 1 minus x square whole to the power minus half. So minus half 1 minus x square minus half minus 1 into derivative of 1 minus x square. Derivative of sine inverse x by is root over 1 minus x square plus 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x into derivative of e to the power x, which is e to the power x. So in the whole term e to the power x we have common, so take it out and it will be simplified as minus, here answer is minus 2x by 2 into root over 1 minus x square. This is minus no 1 minus x square whole to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x. So here we can simplify further, that is e to the power x, 2 and 2 get cancelled, minus x by 1 minus x square whole to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 by root over 1 minus x square plus sine inverse x. So this is the final answer. Here we can simplify further, no need, you can do or no need to do. Example 5, x square plus y square equal to a square, find y2. So this is implicit function, we can do that method, differentiating with respect to x. So d dx of x square, d dx of y square equal to d dx of a square. So what will get? 2x 2y dy by dx equal to 0. It means 2y dy by dx equal to minus 2x. So further we can write dy by dx equal to minus x by y. So differentiating with respect to x. So what we get? d2y by dx2 minus, it is y square, y into d dx of x minus x into d dx of y. So it is y minus x dy by dx divided by y square. So here we have to substitute the value of dy by dx. We have to substitute the value of dy by dx. So then what we'll get? d2y by dx2 equal to minus y minus x by y, that is minus x by y divided by y square. So therefore minus, it is y square plus x square by y square. So final answer will be minus x square plus y square by y cube, that is minus a by y cube, because it is given that x square plus y square equal to a square. So final answer minus a by y cube. Example 6. Let y equal to a cos theta and x equal to a sin theta. Find y2. So here y depends on the third variable of parameter theta, and x also depends on the third variable of parameter theta. So from here we'll get dy by d theta equal to minus a sin theta, and from here we'll get dx by d theta equal to a cos theta. Therefore dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So what we'll get? Replace the values. Dy by d theta minus a sin theta divided by a cos theta, which is minus tan theta. Now differentiating again with respect to x. So what we'll get? d2y by dx2 equal to d dx of minus tan theta. So remember here it is a function of theta and we are differentiating with respect to x, which is not possible. We have to adjust d theta of tan theta into d theta by dx. So it is minus sec square theta into dx by d theta is a cos theta. So d theta by dx is the reciprocal of it, which is coming a cos theta. So final answer minus 1 by a sec cube theta. One more. Sum number 7. Say x cube plus y cube. Example number 7. Let x equal to a t plus sin t, y equal to a 1 plus cos t. Find d2y by dx2. So how to do here? We have x equal to a t plus sin t. Therefore dx by dt equal to a 1 plus cos t, which we can write a into 2 cos square t by 2. Y equal to a 1 plus cos t. So dy by dt equal to a 0 plus 0 minus sin t, which you can write 2a minus 2a sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. We have applied sin 2 theta formula. Therefore, dy by dx equal to dy by dt dx by dt. So how to do here? The answer will be minus 2a sin t by 2 cos t by 2 divided by 2a cos square t by 2, which is minus tan t by 2. Differentiating again with respect to, remember, with respect to x, so it is d2y by dx2 equal to d dx of minus tan t by 2. The function of t we cannot differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, what to do here? Minus d dt of tan t by 2 into dt by dx. So further, what you can write here? It is minus half sec square t by 2 into dt by dx. So dt by dx will be 1 by 2a cos square t by 2. So minus 1 by 4a sec to the power 4 t by 2. Okay, so this is the basic of second order differentiation. In the next class we will discuss the further second order differentiation of different type of sum or proving sum.